So over here, you can see that I have a custom polygon right here. If I were to go around onto the Gantt chart tab and go under drawing right here, then you can see that polygon is an option, and I can just go around and click, and then just go around and click out and create a custom polygon right here, just like this. But if I want to edit this, then what I can do is I can edit out this by using edit points. So to do that, you go to the same drawing section right here and then click on edit points right here. Once you do that, the edit points opens up and you can see that you can go around. Let me just press Ctrl Z because I accidentally clicked on that. You can see that I can click on these points and drag them around. I can go around over here, click them just like this, click them around, and you can see that you can drag them around right here. And that is how you can go around and work out where the edit points for the polygonal shape that you bring in inside of the Gantt chart area in Microsoft Project. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.